Zapier is an incredibly powerful app automation platform that customizes workflows between the apps you use to run your business. To integrate Zapier with Easy Texting, sign into your Easy Texting account and click Integrations on the left. Find Zapier and then click on View Connections. Log into Zapier. If you don't have an account, Zapier also offers a free trial account with limited features to try out. There are thousands of apps you can connect using Zapier. You can also choose from select templates that are popular amongst Easy Texting users, or create a Zap from scratch by either clicking Create Zap or searching for the app you wish to connect to Easy Texting. In this example, we'll be connecting Easy Texting with Shopify to send an automated message to new users. Luckily, there is already a built-in template for this action called Send Text Messages via Easy Texting to New Shopify Customers. Let's use this Zap. Select our trigger to finalize our Shopify connection. Connect your Shopify account by signing in. Then, allow Zapier access to your Shopify account. You'll then be prompted to install the Zapier app in your Shopify account. Return to the Create Your Zap window and click Continue. Next, we can test the trigger to ensure proper connection and setup. Click Test Trigger and choose the test customer you'd like to send this test Zap to, and click Continue. Now we can set up our Easy Texting connection and actions. First, sign into your Easy Texting account and click Continue. Under Two Numbers, search for number 1 phone, since we will be sending a text message to their phone number. Under Message Text, we can type out what we want our text to say. For now, we're going to put Welcome to our store and click Continue. Here we can test the action to make sure the text message gets sent to our customer. With a successful Zap, our test customer should receive the text message. Now we can publish our Zap, and every new customer on our Shopify account will be greeted with a Welcome to our store message. Don't forget to check out all the other automated possibilities with Zapier. For more information, check out our help docs or ask an expert. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Try it free today at easytexting.com/start.